Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my review of Samsung Tab A7. I have also given a Lenovo Tab review which you can check on my channel, and please subscribe to my channel as your one click will help me a lot. So in the box the Tab came with a C-type charger and data transfer cable. The tab is light in weight and quite slim. You have to hold it carefully without cover. In fact, if you are buying it for kids, you should always order the cover with it, because if kids handle it, then it might slip from their hands. Its thickness is just 7 mm. Its screen size is 10.4 inches, which is a rare thing in tablets at this price. So on the side it has the power button and the volume controls. And on the top and bottom are the quad speakers. They are very good and give a surrounding like effect. The charging slot is on the bottom, and the earphone jack is quite conveniently placed at the bottom corner. Overall look wise it is quite impressive with the slim metallic body. It has an 8 MP rear camera and 5 MP front facing camera. This is the card slot where only memory card can be installed, and memory is expandable to 1 TB, and it does not support data calling, so the SIM card slot is not given. The SIM card feature is available in its higher variant, which costs around 25K. So this is the screen guard and cover we are using currently for this tab. It's a good quality cover with good support at the back. We can place the tab with ease at any position we require. Link of this cover and the screen guard I will provide in the description box below. So now back to the tab. Now talking about its screen quality, it has a TFT LCD display and has a 2000 by 1200 pixel resolutions with the symmetric bezel, which is good for gaming, watching videos and multitasking. Its screen quality, camera, speakers and gaming quality I will be showing you later in the video, so please watch till the end. Personally, I like its screen quality. It does not strain the eyes, and for online classes also it is very good, because its quad speakers are really loud and clear. The tab has a 7040 mAh battery, and it lasts for around 6 to 8 hours depending on usage, and for charging it takes around 3 to 4 hours to fully charge. It has Android 10 operating system with several more security features, and it also has face unlocking system, and has 3 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage, which is less compared to the price we are paying for it. So in all, being a budget tablet under 20K, its screen quality is good enough for watching movies, online classes and attending meetings. Though its brightness level is just okay, as it will not be too good in bright sunlight or for watching dark scenes in movies or shows. For everyday use and light gaming it is quite good, though there is some delay in launching of apps due to the 3 GB RAM. But once an app starts, it works smoothly, so that's not much of a problem. In fact, I have noticed when kids are playing games on the tab, they switch between games so often without closing the previous game, and the tab's working has not been affected till now. They have installed so many games on the tab that almost 27 GB of its memory has been used till now. But still the tab is working smoothly, and I haven't faced any hiccups. I hope this video was helpful for you in deciding whether to purchase this tab or not. If you have any query regarding this tab, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. If you liked my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and please share it with your friends and family members. Thank you for watching. Bye.